Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable fall rustic burlap wreath. What you will need, I have this cute sign, I have burlap orange and yellow burlap ribbon, and a wreath ring. Also chenille stems and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut all of my burlap ribbon into 8-inch long pieces. And what I'm going to do is just start with my solid burlap and I'm going to tie it in a knot. Just a simple knot. And you can make your ribbon pieces longer than what I chose. I chose 8 inches because I think that's a decent size. But you can definitely make them longer if you want a larger wreath. So I'm going to get all of my solid burlap pieces tied in a knot. The longer your ribbon is, the easier it will be to tie a knot. So I have tied the burlap ribbon to the inner 2 rings, just like that. That's what the back looks like. And now I have placed the burlap on both sides in the center 2 rings. I'm going to add the orange and yellow in between the burlap pieces. Again, just tying it in a simple knot. So I have completed 2 sections on the right and 2 sections on the left. Alright, now I'm going to start adding in my colors, my orange and my yellow, throughout the burlap pieces, just to kind of mix it all together. So I have my orange and yellow placed throughout. You can definitely add more or less, or if you want it to just be solid burlap, you can do that as well. This is where my sign is going to go, and the reason I did not add the burlap to the top and bottom sections yet is because I actually want that burlap on the outer 2 rings, because my sign is kind of large as opposed to the center 2. So I'm going to get my sign ready. Cut off the top hanger, take 2 chenille stems, twist them together for the top and 2 more for the bottom. Then I'm going to hot glue them in place, making sure I have enough of the stem hanging off the side of my sign to secure it to my wreath. Alright, so I've added the burlap to the top and bottom as well. Now I'm just pushing all of my burlap pieces towards the outer ring. And I'm going to place my sign in the center, just like so, and push the burlap aside to where I can tie my chenille stem to the actual wreath ring. And I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 chenille stems. Once I'm done, I'm just adjusting my burlap ribbon, making sure I cover up any gaps or spaces. It looks so cute and precious. You can use burlap, you can use satin ribbon, gross grain ribbon, whatever type you decide. Modify the colors and the style to fit your need.